Hey, have you tried to import 2D sprites to your Unity project? But instead of looking like this, it looks like this. Let's take a look on how we can solve this problem. First, let's create a new object in Unity with a sprite renderer component. Then we will import a sprite by dragging it into our project assets and assigning it to the sprite renderer. As you can see, our sprite, in this case a cherry, appears blurry and unclear, as if it has very low quality. What's happening here is that when you import a sprite into Unity, the default filter mode is set to bilinear. Bilinear filtering is a texture filtering technique used to smooth out textures when they are scaled up or down. It helps to reduce the blocky or pixelated look that can occur with textures, especially when they're displayed at sizes different from their original resolution. But for 2D sprites and especially pixel art, this isn't ideal because it makes them look blurry. To fix this, we need to change the filter mode. To do this, select the sprite in your project assets, go to the inspector window and change the filter mode from bilinear to point no filter. And there you have it. Now our sprite looks clear and sharp, ready to be used however you want to use it. So that's how you can quickly fix blurry sprites in Unity. Remember to change the filter mode to point no filter whenever you import new sprites. Thanks for watching and see you next time.